Started our annual search for Mr. Big and got a pretty nice buck bedded over there. And that's about it for this morning. Real windy and real poor movement. I saw maybe 20 does, one decent frame buck way out there that I lost sight of. But it is awesome to be out hunting mule deer in Saskatchewan. I tell you what, we're lucky to be residents and be able to hunt these deer. This is the place to find them. They don't get super big here. They'll max an average trophy buck here is in that 200-inch range, where you get into some more kind of farmland, mule deer fringe kind of country, and they can grow giants there. But it's a little bit different hunting. This is a little bit more my style, spot and stalk and hike. So we'll see what we can find in the next few days. But awesome to be down here. Can't wait to find Mr. Big. Alright, well, slipped away from Whitetail Camp, just getting everything set up for the year and getting blinds taken out, blinds built, cameras checked, cameras hung, trails cleared, brush cleared, shooting lanes cleared. So we got a lot of work done here in the last week. Got time to goof off, slip down south here and see if I can help a couple of good buddies of mine fill their mule deer tag. And haven't hunted with Rick or Percy for quite a while, I guess. Probably, I can't even remember when the last time was, but Rick was, I think, my best man at my wedding. So I know him pretty good, and I can't wait to hunt with him again. So got about a 4.5 hour trip to get down there and meet them at first light and see if we can get their tags filled. They got, I think they got 2 days, so not a whole lot of time, but I've been down there before already this year. I kind of have an idea where a few bucks are hanging out and see if we can get the job done. But again, looking forward to hunting with Rick and Percy and can't wait to get down there. Is he tall?
I don't know, Purse, that's your deer.
Well, Eagle Eyes Percy there. Me and Rick were looking through the scopes, trying to be a hero. Percy with no vinyls or nothing says, "What's that there?" Pretty good looking buck there, so might go give him a closer look. You want him, Percy?
Hey?
You want him?
Yeah.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
He's got some decent width to him, eh?
He's coming, yeah, he's coming this way.
see him there, Bert?
Yeah, got him.
Okay, whack him when you're ready.
Okay.
Atta boy, Purse.
Atta boy.
Let's go check him out. That's good from here.
Not good from where I feel.
Oh yeah. Got some character.
Oh, nice shot, Purse. Look at that.
Well, he's got 2 kickers on him.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice looking deer, Purse.
Nah, not bad, eh?
Real nice. Yeah, I like him. Nice character. Well, let's go get Ricky one.
Sounds good to me, boys.
What do you figure, Rick? Your turn?
Yeah, it's my turn, you betcha.
Let's go.
Yeah, I've been waiting 4 years, so
Let's
let's do this.
cancel some tags and do a little butchering and packing and on to the next one.
Sounds good.
Purse got a knife over already.
Oh yeah, eh?
Ooh, that's a play.
That's wickedly sharp.
With Percy's buck down miles from the nearest road, we set out canceling tags and quartering up the meat, all ready for the backpacks and the long pack out. But first, I had some unfinished business to take care of.
All right, well, got Percy's deer all butchered up, quartered up, and we're just gonna let it sit out and cool. And because while we were watching and waiting for Percy's buck to stand up, a buck that I know pretty good stood up about a mile away in his old bed. So I don't know if he left with the gunshot or not, but we're gonna go over there and see if he's still there, because I like him and I'd like to get him. We'll see.
Now, it didn't take long for either me or Rick to make a decision on this old buck. If we could get close enough, there is no question Rick's 4-year wait would be worth it.
Well, our suspicions were right. Got done with Percy's buck there and came over to the closest hill. Got on the lookout here and was hoping he was still bedded in there, and waited for probably close to an hour here, and all of a sudden he stood up. So he's right where he likes to bed. I'm just gonna sit and wait for him to bed back down, and then slip over there and get within range, and ideally wait for him to stand up and ideally give us a shot. So just waiting for him to bed, and then we'll go on over there. Make sure we get a real good mark on where he's bed. He looks good. What'd you figure, Ricky?
I think it's game time. Yeah,
Let's go
do it.
guess.
You bet.
Finally bedded here, so we're gonna pack up our stuff. And got about a 400-yard sneak to get in tight on him and wait for him to stand up.
Now, when you can find a mature buck bedded in this situation, it's go time. With a strong wind to mask any noise, and with the buck blinding himself by slipping his head below the brush line, the buck's only true defense left is other deer, or his nose. So, with the wind in our face, it was just a matter of closing the distance and finding the highest point to set up on for the best shot angle. That is, as long as we didn't spook any other deer.
It's just the old waiting game. I gotta wait for him to stand up. Last time we were on him, he sat there for 8.5 hours. Never got a shot, so let's see what happens.
Now, what I had failed to mention by this point was that just 10 days earlier, I was in this exact same spot, in the exact same position with another good friend of mine, Kelly Curry. In fact, the old buck was in the exact same bed. Now, that day he stood up in front of us at 80 yards 6 times to stretch and browse, but each time the shot angles weren't perfect, and with the wind being ideal and time on our side, we passed up some maybe shots in hopes of a perfect shot. Unfortunately, time eventually runs out, and as legal time came and went, so too did her chance.
So what do you figure, Kelly?
Well, long day. Got in there early. Had him up 6 times, 7 right at dark, and just didn't give us what I thought was maybe the best shot. I didn't want to throw one in there through the willows and end up wounding him and having to chase him around the hills all day, or maybe not find him. But it's a good day.
Yeah, I'm dehydrated. How about you?
Yeah, I can't remember the last time I was this thirsty.
And yeah, we'll come back down with first day of rifle season. Hopefully, maybe we can find him or his dad.
You betcha.
Let's go get some water.
I'm for that.
So, would Rick and I share a similar fate as Kelly and I did? Or would the buck finally give me a break?
You ready to sit for a while, Ricky? You betcha. All right. Be ready. It could be now or it could be 2 hours.
Good thought, guys.
Bradley.
Hello there, buddy. Right on.
Woo!
He didn't make us wait long, did he?
No, that was nice. You smoked him. What do you figure, Purse?
Oh man, good shot. What a deer.
Well, that didn't take long. Me and poor Kelly, 10 days ago, sat on him for 8.5 hours, never got him. We waited here for 15 minutes. And he stood up and stretched, and Ricky pounded him, so let's go have a look.
Yeah, you betcha. Let's do it.
I think he is over. He ran to the left a little bit.
he's got him.
Oh, there it is.
Look at the mask.
Side is like a rib cage.
Oh. Yes.
Nice.
Oh,
Deer.
look where you got him. Right where you aimed, eh? Wow. What a buck, eh? Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, he's nice.
Look at the body on him.
Look at the beams.
Yeah.
Those beams are huge for a muley. Huge. Oh, wowzer. He's a looker. What do you think, Butchie?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it.
You cancel the tags and
Oh yeah, you betcha.
we'll start slicing and dicing.
Think I'll call that my own heaven. If there is ever such a place. Year whiskey kept nearby and handy, and darkness turned bright by the smiles and the lights of the good-natured people that are so few and far between. Think I'll call that my own heaven. If there is ever such a place. Said they got their